is your huge living area. You can see provided the kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. And now they have provided this room as a home theater. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Gitika project, which is located in Velimela, Kolur, Hyderabad, a project by Supada Developers. And today we are here to check out their 5 BHK plus private theatre villa. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, I'm standing just in front of the marketing office of this project. So this is the marketing office of this project, and here is the surrounding. So this side comes the land parcel. So this is total 60 acres of land parcel. And let me show you the locality. So this is the main road. Now, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers because the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now coming to the location part, this project is located in Velimala, Kolur, Hyderabad near ORR exit number 2. And now let me show you the locality. So basically this road goes towards the ORR. So starting with the project overview, this project is constructed in total 60 acres of land parcel, coming up with total 344 villas. And as you can see, the villas will be having private car parking areas. So this is your 5 BHK plus home theatres villa of 5320 square feet super built up area. So this is your main entrance from here. But before that, let's check the parking area. So this is the parking area that builder is providing you over here. So even this can be used for multi-purpose. And now from here we'll enter towards your villa. So on the entrance, you can see this is your 10 feet door with video door phone. And now let's enter. So this is your entrance lobby, and from here we'll enter towards your huge living area. So this is your huge living area. You can see how beautifully the interior work is done by the builder for your reference. And let me show you this over here. So this comes a corridor space. You can use it in a multi-purpose way. You can see the space over here, and over here you can use it for gardening purpose. And now even over this side. Over this side also they have provided with a corridor space. So this corridor space is also connected to that corridor space. Even this can be used for multi-purpose. So after your living area, let's check your dining area. So over here they have provided a dining area. You can see the space for the dining area. Additionally, here comes the sit out area. Again a corridor space. Even you can use it in a multi-purpose way. So let me inform you that the space over here, this is double heighted ceiling. Plus 20 feet of glass facade. And now exactly in front of your dining area, they have provided the kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. You can check how spacious and huge this kitchen area is. For your reference, they have done the interior work with the platforms. So this is the granite platform and the serving platform with again the platform for storage. And now This is the storage space. So this space they have provided with the kitchen area for the storage purpose. With a window for ventilation in this room. And now, here comes your dry balcony. So this is the dry balcony. Comes with anti-skid tiles. And now on the ground floor, they have provided with the kitchen area, dining area, living area and one bedroom. So let's check out the bedroom number 1. So before entering towards the bedroom number 1, here you can use this in multi-purpose way like for the storage space specially. And now this is your room. The spacious and grand room. You can check the space over here. This bedroom comes with a window for lighting and ventilation purpose and even the second window for the same purpose. And now let me show you the wardrobe space. So this bedroom comes with walk-in wardrobe space. This is your walk-in wardrobe, that is the closet area and which is attached to your washroom area. So this is your washroom area. Comes with anti-skid tiles, one sink inside the washroom itself and CP sanitary fittings. Now here this side comes the staircase. So this side they have provided the staircase and one more thing. This side comes the powder area. So on the ground floor they have provided one powder area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now over this side they have provided the provision for lift. So meet you on the floor 1. So this is your floor 1. So on the first floor, they have provided the living area sort of, the family lounge which you can say, and this floor comes with 3 bedroom and one more thing, the puja ghar over here. So here is your puja ghar. And with puja ghar, they have provided one balcony. So this is your balcony area. Balcony is 2-side open view with toughened glass railing and anti-skid tiles. Come with extra space on the outside. Now, one more thing to mention, that over here also they have provided a toughened glass railing. You can check the ceiling height from here also. And now this comes the bedroom number 2. You can check the space and the beauty of the room. It's much more spacious, right? This bedroom comes again with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And again with a closet area over here. So this is the closet area, which is attached to your washroom area. So here comes your washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now let's move towards bedroom number 3. So over this side comes the bedroom number 3. Again, the space is much more beautiful and spacious. You can check this room also. They have provided 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose. And over this side, you can keep your wardrobe, like the wardrobe space is over this side and comes with attached washroom over here. So this is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting, again with the sink inside your room itself to avoid the mess in your room. Now let's move towards your master bedroom. So on the second floor itself, they have provided the master bedroom. So this is the entrance. And you can see the uniqueness of the master bedroom, which comes with wooden finishing flooring. And this is the space. Again with 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the bed space over here. And this room also comes with walk-in wardrobe, a huge wardrobe space. So this is the first half space. And the second half comes over this side. Isn't it huge, right? And now this is your attached washroom. So your attached washroom comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings again. Now let's move towards the second floor. But before the second floor, let me tell you what all feature Housey provides you. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour with its sample villa and sample flight videos with pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule with 360-degree location tour. But for all this feature, you just have to do one thing, that is go and register on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now without wasting any time, let's move towards the second floor. So this is your staircase space. You can check how beautifully the interior work that they have done. One more that you will notice on the second floor is, again they have provided a family lounge over here. Once you enter, you can check the space over here. So even this space you can use it in multi-purpose way. So this is a family lounge, comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the best part is the open terrace. So here comes the open terrace. The access for this open terrace is 2. 1 and over here 2. You can check how beautiful and spacious this terrace is with anti-skid tiles over here and even the toughened glass railing. So the half work is done with the toughened glass railing and the half work is done by a wall. Now let's move towards your rooms. But before the last room, let's check your home theatre. So this is your home theatre. Again, this comes with wooden finishing flooring. And now they have provided this room as a home theatre, but you can use it again in a multi-purpose way. So even this room comes with a corner windows over here and even a window over here. So that is the beautiful part about the corner windows. And now the last part, the bedroom on the second floor. So exactly in front of this home theatre room, you will be entering inside your beautiful and huge bedroom. So this is your bedroom, the last bedroom. You can see the space over here. So this is the space. Again, this bedroom comes with 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose. And one point, this over here is your storage or the closet space. So this was your closet space. And again, even here is your closet space, the walk-in wardrobe, the double closet space. So this room comes with double closet space, which is attached to your washroom. So this is your beautiful washroom. Comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So as you all know, we are in Kolur location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such details of this project, you can click on the I button. And if you liked our video, do not forget to give a thumbs up on our video. Like, follow, subscribe, Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.